guys, not Sfiso calling DJ Tira during their latest episode, guys. Yes, can you guess what was the call all about, guys? Okay, the call was all about why DJ Tira says that Fact Devin Rocks is the last one this year, guys, that is gonna be in charge. So DJ Tira, guys, he is selling Fact Devin Rocks. Yes, Sfiso thought that maybe there may be a bad reason behind that, guys. No, DJ Tira just revealed that he wants to give another people a chance, guys, so that they can take over the show. Now it's time that he pass on the legacy to another people who are interested to host this event, guys. As we all know that during the 31st, this is one of the biggest events that happened in Durban, guys. So DJ Tira is selling the event, guys, to anyone who's open to hosting it, guys. So here's Sfiso calling DJ Tira live on Piano Pulse, guys, during the show, wanting to know the reason behind the Fact Devin Rock the last dance, guys. So here's Sfiso calling DJ Tira.
That's DJ Tira. Grand boy lalela ngiu-live ku Piano Pulse. Mfethu ufuna ubuza ngeFact uyivalelani ungakwazi ukukhuluma.
Ngize ngenye.
Fact, everything must come to an end.
Yeah, not Fact boy.
But I think it's about time chance, and that's why I'm making it available for sale for anyone who wants to continue the legacy, because I don't want to let it die. But I think it needs some new energy, and some new ideas.
Oh, that's
big,
I know.
I mean, it's been 14 years.
Yeah, I know. Shout out Makoy. Yabo moyibeka ngendlela ebeke ngayo boy ngikuzwa kahle. No, I thought mhlambi sebakusokolisa ngicine uyimayor yase KZN.
Uyazi mina ngivaliwe baba.
Now on boy, ngiyabonga boy.
Thank you.
Sharp.
You got Makoya bearings.
Easy, are you in charge? Are you in charge?
I don't understand why that is fascinating.
You got him to talk about that? That was amazing, bro.
Shout out.
That's some dope shit.
That's dope.
I see.
We're giving you a props here tonight.
He's not how? He's acting all nonchalant and shit. I'm the man.
Yep, guys, that was Sfiso trying to clear the air, guys, about the circulating rumors that DJ Tira is gonna be the last time that Fact Devin Rocks happened under him, guys. So as we all know, that this is the biggest event that takes place in Durban, guys. So DJ Tira is selling it to anyone who's interested, guys. I don't know what's your take on this one. You can leave the comments down in the comment section below. I love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate your support, guys, and once again, I'll see you on the next one.